Oh, that's cool.
Ellen. Ellen. Hi friends. Today we're gonna check out a cool new toy that's a tire twister, and this one is really cool because it's a remote control, and it's a remote control toy from Aaron's birthday, and it was a really big present in a really big box. It was so big. We had it at Chuck E. Cheese.
And what does it come with? Show us what it comes with.
It comes with big wheel.
Okay, show me the side. Show me the other side of the wheel. Turn it around.
This side and this side. And Aaron got the little car and the remote control. And it's the #1 racer.
Let me see.
See? It can flip over when you flip over.
And what color is it?
Red and blue.
Okay. Alan, do you know what numbers and letters are on the tire, on the wheel?
No. It looks like a 5, a 2,
I think that's the letter Z.
C, 0. That looks like a 6 or something.
Yeah, that's a 6.
A 3. T. Mama, cut it from the L.
Good job.
Those are all the letters and numbers. Aaron's gonna do because he's the birthday boy. Whoa.
Okay, now put it in the wheel. Let's see what it does.
Put it in the wheel. Put it in the wheel. You put it the wrong way, really? Yes.
Oh.
Whoa, put the flip over. Whoa. Whoa. Go backward. Hey. That was backwards. This way. Hey.
Well, maybe try a different button.
Some different button. Hey. I forgot to turn to a different. Yeah. Birthday boy, it's my turn.
Hold on, let Aaron do it.
Whoa! Oh, I got trapped.
He tipped over.
Trapped. I took that. Come on. Let's see it. Hey! Oh. God, how can this how do you look good? All this thing?
Oh, that's cool. Up.
Ah, the fuck.
You okay?
That was totally awesome, guys. Look what I can do.
Alright.
Now we're gonna do the other camera over 3 cars and Leo and Donnie. Now let's go. Hey. Okay, how about we try it not in the wheel? It's not even working, right? Oh! Well, it got stuck a little. Well, maybe we can do it like this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
What is it?
Oh, stop. Oh, no. Oh. I just want to do that. Whoa! I ran over the car. Now time to run over that guy. Whoa! Okay. Stand up. Really serious? I'm serious. So bye. So I'm the best thing ever. So I'm right my car, and then boom, it's going to flip here to the blue, and then it's going to drive here.
I don't think he flips on the wall, Aaron. Oh, there he goes. There he goes.
He's going. No.
Maybe help him a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, maybe.
Whoa!
Good car. There it goes again. He's stuck. Oh dear. Well, we need to put these buttons. Remove these. And these are for buttons. And this is
Okay.
the coolest part. Ready? Are you ready, Flick?
We're ready, Freddy.
Hey, come on. Come on, sit. Just a little bit. And then we're going to go faster. Peek it. Alright, well, thank you for watching our video. If you want more videos, click on our picture. Subscribe. Bye. And give it a thumbs up. Bye. Next time. See you next time.